pipe wise assembly. Today we are going to see how to make this handle. So let's start it. First open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design and then part design. It will take some time to load, but after that on this window you have to select any plane whatever you want and then go on sketch option from here. And now we are going to make sketch. Let me show you. We are going to make this half part and we will use revolve command to just rotate it. So let's make it. I am making it step by step. You can also make it very carefully. Now we are going to do dimensions to it. So just double click on it, and the diameter of internal circle is given as 8, so we are taking here radius as 4. Then this diameter is given to us as 10, so I am taking here 5. And now let's give distance between both of this is given as 8, and distance between this axis to this axis it is given as 172. I am taking all dimensions as it is mentioned in figure. Distance between this to this is given as 8, and this is how we have completed our sketch. Then go on exit to workbench from here, and now here is one revolve option, so select it, and then we have to select axis. So I am selecting this axis and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our handle. Thank you so much guys for watching it.